Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. Guess what time it is? It is Mystery Nail Art Challenge time. Halloween edition, we sure hope. Let me grab the bag. Here's the bag. If you have watched the most recent Shein haul, you know there's new things in here. And I am going to certainly try to make a good set, not like the last time. I'm gonna grab one packet and one container. And hopefully, whatever I make of it is going to look good. Let's do it. Oops. Well, I guess we're doing snakes today. And black rhinestones. Okay. Okay, we're off to a good start, to be fair. I can make this work, I'm pretty sure. Like, these are fine. Snakes are fine. These black rhinestones are pretty. I guess we're going to be practicing on our placement today. Not sure how it's going to be because, as you know, my nails are not giant. But I think it'll be fine because I can use like one of these shapes to make a snake head. And maybe use these to trail one. I don't know. Let me grab some supplies and we'll get started. I've gathered my colors. We're going to do a little HoloTaco today. These are from the 3rd anniversary collection. We have Featured Guest and Smoke Show. These are two of my favorites from the collection. They are fancy, yet keeping it simple in theory, so that hopefully my snakes will not be lost in the sauce and it'll look good. You know, if you've been watching this channel, sometimes my nail art is good, sometimes it's not. So let me get these opened up. And as you know, I think it goes without saying we need to put down a base coat for stickiness. We need something for this polish to hang on to. Alright, now let's go in and throw these polishes on real quick. 2 coats at minimum. And then of course, after you get 2 coats of that on, you do need to go in with a quick dry top coat so that we can get to the good part sooner rather than later. Okay, so we have black snakes and we have white snakes. I did not know there were white snakes underneath the black ones, but that is good to know. Do I want to do a white snake though? Not entirely sure. I mean, it wouldn't look bad. Maybe one. But these black snakes are really where it's at. So let's see. We'll do black snake, white snake, black snake. What you think? I think so too. Okay. Interesting that they have this protective peel on here because these are stickers, not water decals. Alright, now we need to pick one for the pinky, which is a small nail. Maybe this guy or this one? I like that one. I think that's a good size. Let's see if we can get him off of here without tearing it up. I'm really good at tearing up stickers. Don't go on there at that angle now. Okay. We got it on there. I don't know about you guys, but I think that is really cute. I like it. That's a good one. Now let's get us a big snake for up here. Maybe this one? That's too big. I don't have that big of a nail. How about this one? Yeah? I think so too. He's got a cute little tongue. I don't want to ruin it, but I might. It's looking good. Looking real good. Let's get us a white one. Okay. We don't have the biggest of nail to work with, but also not the smallest of nail. So maybe this one. He's got some cute little eyes. I like this one. Let's grab this guy. Not bad. Not bad. I like it. I wish I would not roll up the stickers on the edges that I pick them up, though. That's okay. Alright, we've completed the easy part. Now comes the hard part with the jewel placement. Let's pick out a... Ooh, we've got a big two. Two snakes. Okay. I definitely want to use this one for one of the snake heads. So let's get that out. And then let's do one of these for a snake head as well. Yeah? I think that'll be cute. And then the body, we'll just have to work our way down these tapered ones. Actually, I wonder... Let me just take this whole lid off so we don't have to struggle. Alright, I'm going to set these to the side so I don't spill them if possible. To adhere these rhinestones, we are going to use China Glaze's 4 rhinestones only. I'm going to put a little blop and we'll dip. We'll get some more of that as we need it. Now, let's see here. Let me bring this back over here so I can prop my fingers up on it and see what I'm doing. Actually, I need to move this stuff over. This is not even kind of in the center. What do we think about this placement? Let's turn that light on so we can see the shimmering. That's nice. And that one as well. Yeah. Okay. Now we just got to do a little bit of a wrap. That's fine. Let's start with our bigger ones. Alright, we've got one snake. There we go, you can see it. I hope you can see it better than I think you can see it. I like that. Let's go ahead and throw us another body on. There we go. We have a second snake. Come on, camera, clear up. Can you see this? Is the camera unable to look at it because it's too beautiful? Is that what's happening here? There we go. Yeah. There's our little snaky snakes. Very cute. I like that. That is nice. Yeah? What do you guys think? It was a fast one, so I'm not hating that, and it's cute. I like it a lot. I hope these rhinestones stay on here because my goop tried to dry up in a couple of spots, but I am going to go around them with some top coat to see if I can help seal them in. And of course I got to cover the sticker, so let's do that real quick. Alright, you guys, I absolutely love it. It is so cute. I am going to, of course, insert some pictures outside with these sparkling in the sun, maybe a little video clip, we'll see. But let me know, what do you think? It was quick, it was easy, it is pretty. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and I really do appreciate it. It does help my channel grow. Leave me a like if you like this snake design, or if you think I have succeeded with this week's mystery challenge. And also leave me a comment. Let me know if this is something that you have done or would do, and if you think using the rhinestones to make snakes was a good idea, or if I should have just done decorative placement instead. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.